underside this way. Look at how new things look. Gas tank cover. Look at all that. First start, Portland, Oregon. Battery's dead. I hear it clicking. Oh, the battery's dead. So I need to jump for the first start. Wow. All good. That sounds so freaking nice. It's going to need a little bit of tuning, but seems to be idling fairly decent at the moment. Well, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce the Black Widow. Keep in mind, she's dirty and she needs a little bit of work here and there, but for the most part, she's pristine and clean. So take a look. This is the rear right here. See how clean that is? The interior is nice and clean. It's got the VIN stickers on the body panels, one here in all the right spots, one over there. Here, that tells us what? That it's all the original panels. So for the most part, we can tell that she has not been wrecked, right? The one thing that I don't like is the previous owner put these quarter window molding covers on. I don't like that. Unfortunately, they're glued on. So I'm gonna have to go and get the $400, I believe it's Scott Drake. Anyway, they're from LMR, rear quarter windows, but it won't say Mustang. And to me, that's fine because it'll add to the Black Widow effect, right? Especially when the windows are tinted dark on it. It's got the Cobra wheels on there. Who knows? You stay tuned. I might wind up selling these. Doors are in good condition. Door hinges are good. If you look here, we have the typical what? Saggy mat pocket. You know, I believe it was the infamous project showed a simple fix for this. So we're gonna do that. That won't take long at all. If you look at the interior, it looks good. It's pretty clean. Now the foam that you see here, the guy said that was from the dealership, right? And so it originally held the tags that hang off supposedly, and like right here. So I'll be taking all that out. And then look here, here's a surprise for you. The ashtray door, look at that. It actually works. But I'll be replacing that with the cup holder console as well. The shifter, I'm gonna probably take that out and put in the one that I like. I believe it's a Pro 5.0. I don't have a problem with it. But right now at the moment, it seems like when I put it in reverse, it's having trouble syncing to get it in reverse without kind of grinding. But all the other gears work fine. So I'm gonna have to try to figure that part out. These door seal scuff plates, and you can tell they're black with the 5.0, but I have the original, so I'll be putting the original red ones back on. So there's little spots to touch up, like here where the interior paint's coming off, probably from years of wear, so it needs to come off. I'll be repainted, I mean. I have the original floor mats, so I'll probably be putting them back in. Body moldings look pretty good. These red Mustang GT stickers, I'm gonna take off, probably use a heat gun and hopefully get those off all around there. Notice that the Cobra with these wheels, and they're in good shape, but the tire is rubbing really bad in here. So I have some Celine SC wheels I'm gonna put on with a lower profile tire, and then that are brand new. So we'll probably do that. That should take care of the rubbing. And then I'll probably sell these or have them powder coated. And that is gonna be a secret as to what color the powder coat's gonna be. From Castle Customs, I have the antenna delete plate. I'll be putting that on here. So the antenna's gonna go away. Antenna delete plate's gonna go in this place. You can tell the headlights look good, fog lights look good. See holes in the bumper from the license plate. That license plate holder, the stupid factory one. Man, I hate that. So I'll either probably try to fill those some kind of way, or figure out something to put here to cover that up. So, but I'll figure that out later. Or take it to a body shop, they can fill it and repair it. This is gonna eventually come out. This here is gonna be powder coated as well. The secret color. These are all flush, so the pinch welds are good. Door pins are good on this door. Saggy mat pocket as usual. Seat belt retractor is gonna have to be kind of worked on. Oh, there it goes. The kick panel is probably gonna have to be replaced, but I can get those in that color, the scarlet color. So that's not a problem. If you look under the door, right here, sticker there, right? And then the sticker here tells you the jams have not been painted. These rear window louvers, as they call them, not my style. You know, perhaps on a Camaro or something like that, be good, but to me, not on a Mustang. So these are coming off. So this is the original cover, as you can tell. Looks good. It actually works. These aren't cheap. And there's the heart of the beast, the heart of the Black Widow. There it is. The Supercharger, the Vortech Supercharger. V3 SCI Supercharger. So there it is. It's even got the original hood insulator blanket, as they call it. It's got a few spots on it, but you know, the good thing is that it's the original. So as you can tell here, there's a VIN sticker there. This panel belongs to this vehicle. There's one on that side. This hood, it has the same VIN sticker. They all match. So all the body panels on this car match. You can't see it right now, but if you look along here, there are no wrinkles. So that tells us that it probably has not been in an accident. And then the same thing over here. Battery is kind of hiding it, but if you look along the edge here, there are no wrinkles or dents. So where it may have been pushed, there's nothing like that there. There's no rust down here. It's got the BBK headers. It's got these covers here and here, there. So it's pretty shiny, man. Looks pretty good. Everything looks like it's in good order. Got all your rad stickers on the rod support. Yeah, it looks good. Next, I'm gonna take you guys under the car so you can see underneath it as well. There is an issue with the idling. It seems to be kind of like, how do I put this? Kind of like surging a little bit. It really doesn't idle like I think a B303 cam should idle. So there is a shop here in town that I'm gonna take it to that they can adjust all that. And so I'm gonna interview that shop as well. So let you guys be able to see where I'm taking it and who I'm interviewing and talking to. So that was just a little introductory video so you guys can see what we're working with in regards to Black Widow. You know, the plan is to have it ready for Cali Fox and Foxtoberfest. So to be finished by then. And you know, I can't forget that I got to get a video to the Fox Chamber. So I want to get that for him so it can be on fan rides. So anyway, Jim, it's coming. It's coming, Jim. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. And until next time, it's OG Superfly Garage.